Good evening. Welcome to MVP News. I'm your host, Steve Walls. Tonight, we will show you how much snow is falling in North Carolina and why the city has closed all roads and highways. We have Moses and Diana reporting from Charlotte live. Yep. What? I still. What? We're still live? What's going on? Um. Okay, I'm sorry, but we have difficulties with the signal. Yeah, okay, they say that we are ready. Okay, so let's play the game. What game? Video. Let's play the video now.
Snow White. Hi, reporting from outside of Charlotte, North Carolina. This is Deanna with the snow report. Snow is falling pretty heavy here for the past hour or so. Look how beautiful it looks on the trees in the backyard. We haven't seen snow like this in 2 years since we moved here. It's beautiful. I just hope our plants don't die. We've gotten, by our calculations, let's see, just about 2 inches of snow here in our backyard, by our calculations. And if it keeps snowing like this, steadily, we might have about, I'd say more than 3 by the morning, or maybe 4 or 5. So hopefully, probably schools will be canceled, and maybe we won't have to work, and we can play in the snow tomorrow. But it seems like a first day of March brought in some bad weather, so it's kind of surprising. But it's beautiful nonetheless, and maybe a little dangerous on the roads. So we're going to stay home and enjoy it. Reporting live from Charlotte, this is Deanna, signing out. Well, now we're in the front yard. It seems to be getting a little windier, blowing in my face, blowing to the left or right, I'm not sure, north, south, east, west, but, and on the driveway, it's pretty compact. It's pretty good, thick snow. Let's see how many inches we got so far. I can't even get to the bottom. Wait. Yeah, it's definitely 2, even a little more, maybe 2 1/4. I'm going to work tomorrow. It feels like a windstorm. Ah! Feels like a blizzard in North Carolina, the first time ever. March 1st, 2009. First blizzard. And we're going to get snowed in tomorrow. Good thing we went to the store already. Oh my gosh. Well, this is nice. My face is kind of frozen. Yes, we are.
Okay.
Reporter Zurieta.
Hola, ¿cómo están? Aquí directamente desde Charlotte, North Carolina. Les estamos enviando unas imágenes en vivo de cómo está cayendo esta nieve debido a una tormenta que vino del sur. Así es que como ustedes ven, la nieve sigue cayendo incesantemente. No puedo ni hablar, me estoy tragando la nieve. Sabe bien, está buena. Como ustedes ven, hay bastante nieve acumulada, ¿verdad? Miren la profundidad de la nieve. Está soplando bastante viento. ¿Okay? Vamos a decir que mañana posiblemente no hay trabajo. Mucho peligro para manejar aquí así.
Yeah.
Especialmente la gente que viene de la Florida, no sabemos manejar en la nieve. La nieve sigue cayendo sin parar, se sigue acumulando. Ahora vamos a caminar en la calle para ver cuánta nieve se ha acumulado. ¿Ok? No se vayan a ningún lado, nos vemos después. ¿Cómo están? Estamos en Charlotte, en Carolina del Norte. Como ven, sigue nevando. Ya ha nevado por más de 2 horas. Se ha acumulado bastante nieve. Ustedes pueden ver aquí en la calle que puedo hacer una bola grande fácilmente, sin ninguna dificultad. Una bola perfecta y fuerte como para tirarla al poste de ahí.
No.
¿Sí ven el poste? ¿Sí ven el poste?
Oh,
Ok.
honey, they think that
I
you're
miss it.
getting at their car or something.
Anyway, como ven, sigue nevando aquí y seguirá nevando toda la noche. Y mañana no hay trabajo, no hay colegio. Los niños van a estar felices mañana porque van a estar jugando en la nieve todo el día. ¿Y qué van a estar haciendo? Estas bolas de nieve. ¿ok? Como pueden ver, está soplando bastante viento. El viento me está llevando. Es una ráfaga bien fuerte de viento. Déjenme acercar a la cámara para que me puedan escuchar, porque hay mucho viento. Ok, aquí estoy. No se pierdan el próximo reportaje mañana en la mañana a las 7 de la mañana. Ya saben dónde ustedes, en el mismo canal, en el mismo lugar. Estaremos filmando toda la noche y todo el día para tenernos al tanto de lo que sucede en Charlotte, North Carolina. Y bueno, me voy a la casa a calentar el cuerpo. Nos vemos, hasta la próxima vez. Bye.
Okay, we are back in the studio. Well, that's all the information that we have for that night. But now let's see what our reporters are doing today, this morning. You want to know? Yeah? All right. Well, let's get connected to the satellites and see if we get a good signal. Yeah? Are we ready? Okay. So here we go. Let's watch.
Go ahead.
Hi.
I'm sorry.
here.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, here we are at 5024 Meadowwoods Drive in Charlotte. We're gonna see Deanna coming down the hill using our driveway, and there she comes. How it was?
No, I don't like it.
Well, you don't like it?
Ow. I hurt my butt.
What, you want a pillow?
There was no water over here.
You want a pillow with that thing?
No, it's wet over here.
Look at that guy over there.
Gonna get
See?
wet.
That was cool.
Well, this is not wet over there.
Okay.
All right, go.
That's what I call
I can't see it until
sliding
you.
in North
I can't
Carolina.
see it till you come halfway down.
Whoa, that was fun, huh? Come on, our reporters are having a lot of fun in North Carolina. Yeah, playing with the snow. Anyway, come on, guys. We need to get reports from over there. People want to see what's going on. Okay, so yeah, we had that video clip ready. Okay, so we're gonna play another clip that is showing what the city is doing to clear up the streets and the highways. Well, let's take a look.
I don't know if it's recording.
Okay, our reporters are back to work, so let's see what they have for us. Let's take a look.
River Falls Drive, I guess. And day after the big snowstorm. It's bright and sunny. You see a lot of snowmen out here. Looks like a lot of people didn't have to work. And all the cars covered with snow.
Go.
Okay, here's South Fork River. One part of it. You can see it's still flowing. It didn't freeze because it's a running water. But we do have a lot of snow and pretty trees over here with the white on them. Against the brown water. It's kind of ugly. But nice winter scene. Very picturesque. There's a little part of nature in North Carolina, Piedmont.
Okay, we are back in the studio. Yeah, they are ready. Okay, we have another clip from North Carolina. What's going on? Yes? Okay, I'm sorry, but our reporters, they just want to have fun over there. But let's see what's going on. Are we ready? Yes. Yes or no? Come on. Okay. Come on, guys. We are live. I'm sorry, but these people are not very professional. I'm gonna have to fire them. Okay, we're ready. Okay, here you goes. Let's watch.
It's a big kid. I think so. I can't see. Yeah, right. Go ahead.
For all I know, she has something to do with this.
Yeah, right.
All right.
Oh my God!
That goes pretty far. Yeah. Woo!
How would you describe your experience?
Okay.
How it was?
Too many layers. Oh, it's good. It's fun. You have the
Interview.
perfect driveways for this.
Yeah, I'm getting ready. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Huh? What? Is my clean? Yeah, is my teeth clean? Do I look good? Yeah, sure. Oh, I'm sorry. We are live. You guys didn't tell me. I'm sorry. These people are not really professionals. You're fired. Yeah, you too. And the sound guy that is talking to me, yeah, that guy is fired too. All right, guys. So, well, this is it for this show tonight. That's all we have for now. But we will be back in another day at the same time with more news for you guys. Thank you for watching. Until the next time. Bye-bye. Come on, guys. Stop laughing. We gotta work. We still live? You didn't cut it? Oh my God.